Hey, Julissa here, and I'm gonna show you today how to recreate this Ardell Beauty holiday look. I'm giving it a name of like Thanksgiving Glam. I feel like that's the vibe. If you guys are into it, make sure you keep watching. So I'm gonna start with In Her Prime face primer. I just love a good primer. It's similar to like painting a wall in your house. You usually like to prime it so your makeup goes on a lot smoother, the paint on your wall goes a lot smoother. So today I'm gonna use the Camouflage High Def Foundation. I just love that literally in one pump, it'll cover up all that you need. I mean, a little bit goes a long way with this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just goes on really smooth. So next I'm gonna use the Photo Face Concealer. I love how pigmented this is. It basically just makes you look awake and just makes you look like you've been sleeping for about 10 years. I also like that it doesn't have flashback. I've been finding the hardest time doing my makeup, like literally a beat face, and then I'll go out and take 1,000,001 selfies or pictures, and we all know that that flashback is not what's up. Just gonna blend that in. Now that I've primed, I've added my foundation, I did my concealer. I like to strategically place my setting powders, again, just so that I don't look completely matte. I do like to try and aim for that healthy glow to the skin. So I'm gonna use the Ardell Glam Finale loose setting powder. Just gonna add it a little bit under my eyes. See how pretty this powder just goes on and doesn't really overpower the makeup and what you've already done to your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm this look up with Ardell Vacay Mode Bronzer. I love that it's a dual bronzer. I'm just gonna really wanna make this as glamorous and kind of soft glam as I can. So next I'm gonna move on to brows, and I'm gonna use Ardell Brow Liberty. It's a dual N pencil and brush. Sometimes you just need a good brush to like really help you get in there, and a nice pencil that isn't gonna make your brows even thicker. So I kind of just go in and do some light strokes, and then I just kind of brush it up so that it still looks natural. All right guys, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. If you can slow down the video at this point just to do this unveiling, because this palette is so beautiful. Look at it. I think I'm gonna start off with just dusting my lid with this really nice light kind of beige color. And then for my crease, I'm gonna warm it up, going with this really pretty, soft, kind of auburn. A little bit goes a long way with this palette. You can really build, which is what I love about it. So I'm gonna move on to this darker brown up here, just to really give some definition. Just continue to add to the outer crease and bring it in. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of this lighter, oh, it's kind of a peachy, you know, that right on your eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. So I'm gonna continue with my eyes and add the Ardell Faux Mink Multi-Layering Mascara. Next, I'm gonna add one of these 3 styles from the Faux Mink collection. I just really love how fluttery and pretty they look. They really just have that pop that your eyes need. I think I'm gonna use the Faux Mink Demi Wispies, only because they start short and then kind of get longer and feather out towards the corners of your eyes. Just because I added this nice metallic on my lids, I don't totally want a lash that's gonna overpower that. So next I'm gonna add some blush with the Ardell Blush Me Harder. Again, another dual product, Biggest Flirt and Route 69. I think this is just gonna pick up the nice kind of golden orange vibes that I have going on with my eyes. So let's see what it looks like. Again, nothing harsh, just soft glam. So next step is gonna be highlight. I'm gonna use the Ardell Holly Glam Illuminator. Personally, I think a highlight that you can layer is always really pretty. We're gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna use the Vinyl Vixen Lip Lacquer. I'm obsessed with this color. It's so hard to find that perfect nude gloss. So I'm gonna add a metallic lip gloss on top of this color. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my Ardell Holiday Beauty look. I hope you have fun recreating it. And don't forget to follow me and, of course, Ardell Beauty.